In the final video of the lecture series presenting the online sensorimotor and cognitive profile test, we will discuss the analysis of results obtained in various application areas of the test. In addition to individual assessments, this online testing method can also be used for group assessments, tracking progress, and research purposes. The test results provide significant support for data-based decision-making. Data-based decision-making is becoming an integral part of everyday pedagogical practice because, as shown in the introductory video of this lecture series, children's developmental characteristics change significantly in response to environmental influences. Teaching cannot be based on routine, nor can it be expected that all children will perform at the same level. In an assessment-based approach, children would have to conform to a standard that is no longer sustainable. However, in a knowledge-based developing approach, the learning environment can be designed with consideration for children's individual developmental paths. The analysis of both individual and group assessment results can contribute to this process. In the fifth lecture video, we presented the analysis of individual results. Here, we now visualize the assessment data from 3 first-grade classes at a large urban school. This diagram was created in an Excel spreadsheet after downloading the grouped data of the students in each class. Level 3 represents the average, against which the class results can be compared. Additionally, the profiles of the different classes can be contrasted. It is evident that the 3 classes exhibit different profiles. In Class 1A, none of the indicators fall below 2.8, which corresponds to an average level. In Class 1B, test results indicate a lag in control functions compared to the other classes, suggesting issues similar to attention deficits and hyperactivity. In Class 1C, phonological awareness shows significant deficiencies, which could pose serious obstacles to learning to read and write. The second-grade data indicate that, in the case of Class 1B, no effective intervention has been implemented so far. In contrast, significant improvement is observed in Class 1C. The introduction of playful phonological development activities and delayed reading instruction has yielded positive results. The class average does not mean that there are no children in any class who are either above or below the average level of development. Nevertheless, it is a significant indicator if there are major gaps within a class profile. In such cases, lesson planning should take problem areas into account. Additionally, individualized development and a personalized learning environment can further enhance teaching effectiveness. Therefore, it is important to compare individual test results with the class profile and identify students whose performance deviates significantly from the class average. Another important application of test results is in scientific research. As part of a study supported by the Public Education Development Research Program of the Hungarian Academy of Sciences, the Learning Environment Research Group examined, among other things, differences in the profiles of first-grade students based on the size of their settlement. The study involved 42 classes from 27 schools. The first-grade students were assessed by their teachers using the online sensorimotor and cognitive profile test. The teachers reported that both they and the children found the process enjoyable, as it provided an engaging and relaxed testing experience. The results clearly show that children attending schools in small settlements lag behind their peers in larger towns and cities in most indicators at the start of school. Some young teachers only realized, after seeing the data, that the issue was not their teaching performance but that nearly all the children in their class required significant developmental support to acquire essential academic skills. For these children, movement-based rhymes proved to be the most beneficial teaching aid. Thank you for watching our lecture series. We hope that our videos help you use the test more professionally and confidently. If you have any questions or concerns, our contact information is available under the contact option.